In this video, we will demonstrate releasing a Python project to PyPI and conda-forge using a project that was built with the LINCC Frameworks GitHub Python project template. LINCC Frameworks is a team of software engineers and project scientists developing software with the broader astronomy community. Internally, we have found that our own Python project template is really helpful to automatically enable software engineering best practices and reduce our own code duplication. ExTaoX is a framework for AGN light curve modeling using Gaussian processes, and we've been working with them through the LINCC Incubator program. We're going to use them as our model for an example release today. So we'll start at the project's GitHub homepage, and here on the right in the navigation you'll see releases. We're currently at the 0.1.1 release, and we're going to be increasing that today. Up at the top, click Draft a New Release. Give this name a tag name. We recommend using semantic versioning, and this will create the new tag on the publishing. We can also auto-generate some release notes. It'll include all the pull requests that have been merged since the previous tag was created. We're just quickly glancing over these, then go ahead and at the bottom here, click on Publish Release. Great. If we go up to the Actions tab, we can see the workflow to upload the Python package to PyPI. This is included in the LINCC Python project template. It takes a couple minutes, less than a minute for ExTaoX. See, wasn't that fast. And if we go to this previously loaded PyPI page, we can see that the new build can show up just a few seconds later. Great. Now, conda-forge is not automatic, and that's going to take a little more effort. We've previously configured the conda-forge feedstock, which contains the recipes to create the conda-forge release. This has bots that run periodically to look for new versions, but we can nudge the bot by opening a new issue. In particular, the please update version will look for a new version. And the bot indicates that it's working with this little rocket that shows up. It's going to make a new PR, and it'll take a few minutes for this to be rendered. Now all of our tests pass in the conda-forge release, and our off-screen admin is going to approve the pull request and merge it. It could take quite a while for Anaconda to pick up the changes to our conda build, so in the meantime we're just going to check out Zenodo and see that it has picked up the changes. This repository has a previously configured Zenodo entry, and we now see the v0.2. We've added several co-authors from LINCC Frameworks, and so we see that we now show up in the Zenodo entry. Conda still hasn't picked up those changes. It can sometimes take a while. It's okay. Trust us, it does eventually get released. And there you have it, a release of a package from the Python project template.